Hi everyone. Here's an idea. Have you ever had the impression that there aren't enough hours in a day to complete everything? No worries. This lecture will cover productivity strategies, useful methods for setting priorities, and critical time management skills for leaders. Let's get this started. In this lecture, you should be able to understand the importance of time management for leaders, identify strategies for boosting productivity and prioritizing tasks, apply time management techniques to balance responsibilities and achieve goals effectively. Effective time management is foundational for successful leadership. Leaders face a constant stream of responsibilities, and if they're not careful, their day can quickly become overwhelming. Time management allows leaders to prioritize high impact tasks. By focusing on what matters most, leaders can ensure they're contributing to the organization's goals. Model productivity for the team. Good time management sets a positive example, showing the team the value of planning and focus. Reduce stress. Organizing tasks and using time wisely prevents last minute rushes, helping leaders stay calm and focused. In short, good time management enhances productivity and helps leaders maintain balance and clarity. There are several proven techniques that leaders can use to manage their time more effectively. Here are some essential ones. The Eisenhower Matrix is a powerful tool for prioritizing tasks by urgency and importance. It divides tasks into four categories: urgent and important, tasks that need immediate attention, such as crisis management or project deadlines; important but not urgent, tasks that support long term goals but aren't time sensitive, like strategic planning or skill development; urgent but not important, tasks that require immediate action but do not contribute significantly to goals, for example, interruptions, minor requests; not urgent and not important, low priority tasks that do not contribute much value and can often be delegated or eliminated. So, leaders may reduce distractions and concentrate on what really matters by classifying tasks using the Eisenhower matrix. Time blocking involves dedicating specific blocks of time to different types of tasks, helping to maintain focus. Leaders can use time blocking to schedule uninterrupted time for important work, allocate blocks for meetings, emails, and other recurring tasks, set aside breaks to recharge and maintain productivity. By setting intentional blocks for each type of activity, leaders can avoid multitasking, which often reduces effectiveness and focus. Let's call the story The Overwhelmed Manager. A department manager was struggling to keep up with a growing list of responsibilities. They were constantly switching between tasks, which led to mistakes and missed deadlines. After learning about time blocking, the manager set specific times for reviewing emails, meeting with staff, and working on high priority projects. As a result, they became more organized, focused, and efficient. The moral: structuring your time allows you to handle multiple responsibilities with greater clarity and effectiveness. Time management alone isn't enough. Leaders also need to enhance their productivity to make the most of their valuable time. Here are some techniques that can help. The 80-20 principle. The 80-20 principle suggests that 80% of results come from 20% of efforts. By identifying and focusing on these high impact tasks, leaders can maximize their productivity. For example, if certain projects or clients consistently yield the most results, focusing on those areas rather than less impactful ones can significantly improve overall productivity. Delegation is a critical skill for leaders, allowing them to focus on high priority tasks while empowering their team to take on responsibilities. Effective delegation involves identifying tasks to delegate. Leaders should delegate tasks that others can handle competently, freeing up time for strategic priorities. Providing clear instructions. Clear guidance ensures the tasks are completed effectively and reduces the need for micromanagement. Trusting the team. Leaders who delegate successfully build trust and encourage team growth. When leaders delegate tasks wisely, they boost their own productivity and ignite their team's growth and potential. It's a win win for everyone. Effective leaders set boundaries to protect their focus and productivity. Strategies for minimizing distractions include setting office hours for open door time. Limiting open door availability prevents constant interruptions, allowing leaders to focus on critical tasks. Using do not disturb mode during focused work, leaders can mute notification and calls to avoid unnecessary interruptions. Minimizing digital distractions. Leaders should avoid checking emails and messages constantly. Instead, they can schedule specific times for communication tasks. Consider the gardener's focus as an analogy. Imagine a gardener who spends most of their time tending to the core plants in the garden, rather than getting sidetracked by weed and minor tasks. Just like nurturing a garden leads to thriving blooms, leaders can cultivate remarkable teams by honing in on what truly matters. Focusing on the essentials unlocks incredible potential and amazing results. List 10 tasks you need to accomplish this week and categorize each into 4 quadrants of the Eisenhower Matrix. Write a one-page reflection on how this prioritization helped you plan your week more effectively. Are there any areas of time management you struggle with, like delegation or minimizing distractions? Share your experiences in the comment section. We're looking forward to an insightful comment section. In conclusion, effective time management and productivity skills are essential for leaders aiming to balance multiple responsibilities and achieve their goals. Summing up the long debate, time management is about focusing on what truly matters, setting boundaries, and leading with clarity. That was all about this lecture. See you in the next one. Keep learning with Edita.